So we all are ready. Augie and others, they will reach the venue in another 1 hour or so. So we are leaving now because from here the places is around 40 minutes far. So we have to leave now. What time is it now? 10 something? 10. Okay, it's 10:30 now. So the event is supposed to be at 12. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy today's vlog. Right, gloves, phone, and that's our beautiful bikes. Buff's bike is looking kick-ass compared to my bike. Can I jump from here? Although I can, but I don't want to. I don't want to break any bones before I go for IBW. I hope you guys are ready. It's 10:44 in the morning, and the outside temperature is absolutely fantastic. That's Buff Moto. He's also vlogging. Chalo. You lead, I'll follow you. And now he's gonna start his bike, and he has removed his baffle. Oh my god. Off we go. I think I should play some music now. Should I? Yeah, I'll just play some music. Yes, so I am here at IBW. As you can clearly see, there's so many sports bikes over there. Over there you have some more sports bikes. You have Ducatis. Harley Davidson and KTMs are more in percentage. And it just started. Indian Bike Week box office, where you can buy the tickets and all. Yeah, so beautiful bikes, beautiful girls, and here I am. I almost dropped my phone again. Yeah. So I think I should get back to my vlogging and I'll update my video very, very soon. Welcome to Indian Squid Festival. So many squids. Anyways, who cares? Who really cares actually? You don't really have to be wearing your jackets and everything. It's looking really wonderful over here. Good thing we came early and we got a nice parking over there. So we are having mango candy over here. One thing we observed, they're selling everything for very expensive. We had a sugarcane juice, they said 55 rupees. I just gave him 20 rupees. Ice cream, mango dolly, which usually comes for 20 rupees, they are giving it for, can you believe it, they are giving for 50 rupees. I bargained for this shit. I bargained for this. किस चीज़ के लिए बोल रहे हैं? आइटम. आइटम के लिए? 10,000 के आइटम? So first Harley Davidson rally and then the Triumph rally. क्या हुआ? अरे मराठी मानुस शिवाजी के कॉस्ट्यूम होगा. Okay. बचाओ. Yeah, right. अभी मेरे कान के पर्दे फटेंगे. देखा, इसलिए नहीं आने का. So you guys are enjoying from your house and we have our passes over here, and I have given everyone OGF t-shirt. Okay, only one guy is wearing OGF t-shirt.
It's not fitting me.
Yeah, he is OGF.
Face reveal.
Face reveal. See, he is a face reveal. He doesn't have a face. Okay. He has a camera. Yeah, he has to be a vlogger, right? Which vlogger? But guess. We are going in now. I wish it could maybe in few years when I'm a rich vlogger. Then this is the pass. Free. This is the pass we have got. We have to fill it. So in this form, you just have to write your name and all that number. I'm going to blur it out, and just the signatures. Yeah, so we finally got this band. So now we can officially go in. Also, we have this passes. We filled the form. Yeah, so we can wear this band. This is basically a complimentary band.
We're all set and ready to go in.
This is the guy who always comments to everyone. Balsara, the guy with the red icon. I think he's the most famous guy in all the vloggers. Good comments, just joking. Just good comments. Good, just joking. Good comments. Shall we go in? So we are entering now. That's the way we enter.
Augie went in.
Yeah, he went in. Going in now. नमस्कार आ जाओ हमारे वीडियो में Yo! So we are inside. Looks great. That's how the whole thing is looking. So we have like thousands and thousands of biker. And look how many helmets we have. Open the helmet counter. Hardly anyone is carrying their helmets. Lols. Okay, it's too hot inside, so me and Buff we have decided to go out and get something to drink. Wait. And get something to drink. As you can clearly see, there's so many people behind me. So many bikes inside. I think there are around 500 to 600 bikes inside only. So yeah, we're just going out to get something to drink. Maybe again water or sugarcane juice. I don't know. Let's see. I'm having a pasta, fresh lime, and water. He's having a Budweiser. Ooh. This is nasta. It's for 200 rupees. Not bad. See, I am already tanned. My skin has become dark. No more fair. The event is over there. I know you can't see. Isn't this cool? Okay, no. See, it's so cool, eh? Buff, get your bike. We'll show them who's the boss. Rome. DSK Benelli, Harley Davidson, Triumph, and Indian motorcycle. And it's hot. Oh, there is Ducati also. I don't know where to go first. Mozo! That is Mozo. Khali counter, empty counter.
I love the song.
Okay, so it's the third day basically over here. Today is 20th and is my camera dirty? Yeah, it was dirty. Look at my condition. My face has become all dark because I think it's all tanned and all. I just woke up, brushed my teeth and all that. I look like a beggar man right now. Anyways, our breakfast is ready. Tea is ready. So me and Buff we're gonna have it, and there's a small meetup I have arranged in Miramar Beach, which is just next to where we are staying. and I've called up Augie also. So me, Augie, Buff, and I meet few subscribers because I'm getting a lot of messages from my subscribers. I think 4-5 of them around 11. And right now it's 10. So I'll just meet my subscribers, few of them, and after that the plan is that we're not going to IBW now because it's the same thing like yesterday. So we'll be going to IBW at around 5. Yeah, of course. So we are already in the beach and Augie came. I'll just hide his face like this. Yeah, okay, so he's turned. Good boy. He turned. So that is in the orange T-shirt is Augie. There's a few subscribers. 2 of them already left, and Buff has gone to collect his band because now also we are going to IBW. So without band he won't be able to enter. We are today, the motto to go to IBW is just that we can meet Power Drift because yesterday we couldn't meet them. So today hopefully we meet them. And I'm wearing my traditional Mumbai Mechanical T-shirt. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'll update you. Okay, now I'm going to KTM service center because I have to change my oil because yeah, it was in the break-in period now. Okay, now again we are back to IBW and it's still hot. It's not hot as hot as yesterday, but still it's better. I'm back with my friends. Much better than yesterday because I think less bike, less people, and
less carbon monoxide being formed. Less carbon monoxide being formed. Less carbon monoxide being formed.
Okay. Yeah, this is the guy who said that. Anyway, so we are going in.
First thing that you gotta do is you gotta invest in proper gear.
Yeah.
I strongly recommend getting a race suit. I know they're expensive, but trust me, I've had my share of falls. And the very reason why I'm standing in front of you today was because of a race suit. I took the brunt so that I could stand here in front of you. So get that, get a proper race suit, get proper gear, gloves, boots, helmet. Then step number 2 is go to the racetrack. If possible, go and attend a riding school. Before coming to IBW, I was at California Superbike School. For the first time in 4 years, I got the opportunity to do level number 4. And so the third time I was attending CSS. That's how good they are. That's how much you learn every single time you go there. And that will really help you understand the basics of motorcycling. Motorcycle is something which you'll keep learning every single day that you get on a motorcycle. But at least what the school will teach you is what not to do. You know, it'll make you a safer rider. It'll make you a rider who's capable of thinking and understanding what he's doing wrong so that you can correct yourself. So I would just say if you want to learn how to corner, it takes a lot of dedication. It looks cool, but it's an art in itself. And it requires a fair amount of effort from your part to understand the basics first. And once you understand the basics, then you can also corner on a pick and cruiser, man. Not a problem. But understand, take effort, invest time to understand the basics first. Thank you so much.
These guys are all vloggers.
Your favorite. This is your favorite, Sagar.
Everyone who knows Power Drift, they know him.
So finally,
One and only Sarge.
this is your only wish, right? You wanted me to meet the PD guys. I'm finally here to meet the PD guys.
Yeah, so glad you could make it. So glad you could make it.
One question, Sagar. How do you feel to be a part of my video?
I feel very good. I feel very overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. I'm blabbering, blah, blah.
You know why? You
It
know.
feels good, man. It feels good to interact with fellow bikers. That's why we are here at IBW, right? It helps us connect with the community. That's why we are here.
Absolutely.
So it feels great.
Nice to meet you. This is my favorite 10 Hunt. Please give a message for my subscribers. Mike is here, don't worry.
Well, what message do I give to
Any
your
message,
subscribers?
any
'Cause
message.
I am usually confused what message I can ever give to any person. But to Mumbai Ka Nikhil, well, you're doing a fabulous job.
Okay.
And you people who are staying out there and watching his channel, well, keep at it. I do it myself. So stay subscribed, tell it to your friends, and yeah, enjoy the
biking spirit that he has going on his channel at India Bike Week 2016 with Mumbaikar Nikhil himself, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you. Bye bye.
We not clicky clicky, we not geeky geeky. Now use we beaky when you're leaky leaky. Sleep body there, so fish you wanna need it. Ask for that, you just as geek and zeeky.
Any girl step up in her and to the feet.
One, two, three, pull it.
I'm fucking tired, bro.
All of us are tired.
So you get this clip and
Yeah.
then
You wanna give any message to the people out there? Any message?
just ride safe, man. Just ride safe. Don't be an idiot on the road.
Don't be an idiot on the road.
Yeah.
Don't be an idiot on the comment section below also.
Yeah,
Please.
Spare the YouTuber.
Yeah.
Spare him. So, what I always say, no macho bullshit.
No much bullshit.
That's
Nice meeting you.
That's
man.
what I live by.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get my bike.
All right.
There.
All right.
Chalo.
Chalo. Bye. Alright, so that's about it. Now we are done. We are leaving now. Although they are playing all the music and all that, and people are just revving their bikes and everything. And we met the PD guys. They are awesome. They're such a gem of a person. Each and every one of them are down to earth, especially Sagar and 10. Thank you, Sagar and 10, if you're watching this video. Thanks a lot. You guys are awesome. So yeah, I'm done. Now I'll be leaving. I'll just take my helmet. So yeah, finally this year they had this helmet counter over here. Just take my helmet. I got my helmet with the camera. So yeah, now we are leaving, and now the plan is to go and shop something, something to eat and all that. So what is the time now?
I believe it must be around
It's 7 something.
7 exactly.
It's around 7, and we are planning to leave by 4. I'll hit the road by 4. We're planning to meet by 3:30. So we have to make plans and everything now. We'll eat while having dinner. We'll make the plans, and after that we'll sleep. India Bike Week was awesome. Yeah, in the beginning I didn't like it because a lot of squids and everything. But in the end I understood one thing. This place, this thing is for, just to have fun. It's like a party for all the motorcycle enthusiasts. Enjoy the people, enjoy the beautiful girls over here. Smoking clutch plates, yeah, enjoy that also. And enjoy all the bikers, the bike modification and different people. Yeah, other than that, there's nothing much to Indian Bike Week. Basically, it's like a India motorcycle party bike week rather than Indian Bike Week. There's nothing about safety, there's nothing about anything. This is just about having fun.
Bomb Fest.
Yeah, what? Rev Bomb Fest. Yeah, that's the right word, Rev Bomb Fest. And as always, thank you for watching this video, guys. Shukran Vida Masala. Take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Buff Moto, 2 random friends, and me signing off. Bye bye. ये देखो भैया, गंदगी देखो भैया इस बंदे की. सबको लड़की के साथ फोटो चाहिए. They don't want to click picture with the bike. They want to click picture with the girls. Anyways, nice marketing strategy, Ducati. Oh, lovely. Look at this. Nice, right? Multi-starter.